Good morning everyone, welcome at a new monthly vlog. I'm planning to vlog this November as a, finalizing all orders, start packing my house for the move, and then December will be the vlog of moving. I have a busy week this week. I have a lot of packing to do from the last release, which I'm so grateful for all the orders. And later this week, in the weekend, I'm going to Drenthe. That's the state where I'm moving to. I'm going to see my house from the inside, going to measure everything for like the curtains and everything, and see how I want to, which room is going to be my office and my bedroom, etc. And I'm also working on a really big project, which I already shared with my patrons, and I will be sharing with all the other public probably in January, but yeah, it's super excited. That's all I can say. Bringing away the packages tomorrow, and of course a lot of packing to do today. Hey! And the rest of the day I will be just busy with packing orders and time for a little lunch break and walk with Yip and Poppy. Working on my big project tonight. Yeah. Good morning everyone. It's a new day and time to bring away all the packages. It's a long drive, but I'm still so grateful for all the orders I'm getting. I'm really happy that my next house, everything has on one floor because I'm so done with lifting first all the sticker book boxes upstairs and all the orders downstairs. So I'm really, really happy that my next house, everything is on the first floor. Let's drive. And now we're standing in traffic. I really hate this. And I'm back at the office. It was a really, really long drive to the international post office, but I'm ready to pack all orders and have everything shipped tomorrow again. Finished a lot of orders today, and now it's time to have a little break, walk with the dogs, do some chilling and have dinner, and then I'm going to continue illustrating on my new project. Look what arrived, my planner for next year. So I bought a couple things. I bought this cute pet themed happy planner for my planning next year. It will be my last year with a normal planner because the year after I will be having my own planning planner. And I really need to have this one with all the cute pets on it, of course. Then I also bought this big notebook for all the moving notes and stuff. And I really love the quotes. And I was not really a fan of the illustrations. So I bought a extension pack for notes. I will be making all my moving notes, all the to-do, all the things in this notebook. You know what is also so weird? That in 4 weeks my whole house is empty. There's nothing left. I just can't imagine it because everything is still there. Nothing is packed. But I'm getting so excited. I really can't get that smile on my face. Always when I go away, they're saying goodbye. I really love the packaging of Chocomel during the holidays. Taking some extra boxes with me for the move. I did a fun thing. I bought a Christmas onesie for myself. And I also bought one for Poppy. Pop. I didn't get one for Yip because Yip doesn't really like weird things. And Poppy always likes to have something on her. She also doesn't mind wearing a raincoat because she really hates rain. And this little sweater I now also can use like after the rain so she can dry easy. So it's multi-purpose. So now we are matching with each other. And finalizing the final orders for shipping tomorrow. Good morning. It's time for another long drive to bring away all the packages to the post office. The navigation says there's no traffic this time. Let the trip begin. ready to go on this trip. I'm so excited. I haven't seen the house from the inside, only on pictures, so I'm so excited to finally walk in the house and see everything. I did see the house, but only the outside, so the garden, and I could sneak a little bit inside. So yeah, I didn't just go there and have the house without seeing it. We're here! This is my house, and there is the forest. The forest behind my house. Love all the autumn colors. Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday morning and it's back to work time. I'm still a little bit recovering of the really long day yesterday. It was a really long drive, a lot of decisions to make, a lot to do in the house. But we're back and we're back on packing orders, and it's really the last days of packing until I can start packing my house for the move. So yep, a lot of things to do, a lot of packing to do. Done with packing orders for today, and now I'm going to work on my project while Poppy is laying next to me. And good morning. It's a new week. A lot of stuff to do. Just finished the quick decoration session in my planner. I went for some cute houses and autumn trees and some soft color boxes. I have a lot to fill in, and probably the last spread that will have autumn vibes. From now on, I'm really going for winter theme because the temperatures are getting colder and I'm really getting into the Christmas and winter mood. So, okay, let's start filling it up and then start packing. But now it's really becoming real that I'm going to move and everything is going to be packed in a few weeks. It's crazy. And all those boxes behind me that I saved for the move are going to be filled. It's time to film the unboxing of the Planning Advent box of this year. I'm so excited for everyone to start opening it in December 1. And now I'm sitting here with my Santa hat on. I'm really already missing that I'm not able to put my tree on. You know, I'm really missing the Christmas vibes in my house. But it's all for good cause because I'm moving. But it's still, you know, it's my favorite season, my favorite holiday. But I'm hope if when I moved, I'm able to do a little bit of Christmas decorations to make it a little bit Christmassy. Going to check another time for the colors that I want on the wall. I got some soft pink colors that I want for my bedroom and some greenish, bluish, darker colors for the living room. And now I have to decide what color it's going to be. How cute is this Amsterdam ornament? This morning I packed all the packages and now I'm going to the IKEA with my sister to check on some furniture and curtains for my new home. So I only bought this Amsterdam cookie jar. I got a lot of inspiration, but only this. And we're going to the next shop. Good morning! It's time! The web shop is not shipping orders anymore. I mean, I'm not shipping orders anymore. All orders that are coming in right now are shipping after January 3rd. It's really happening! I finally can start packing everything in my office, in my house. I finally have time for it. And 3 weeks until the move. And I'm so excited. I really can't wait. Let's start the packing! In the process of packing everything, I've started with everything from the houses and trees part 2. A lot of boxes to fill. The first closet of sticker books is empty. Let's bring it downstairs. Rainy days here in the Netherlands. I also went to the Hema, that's a Dutch store, and I got this cute tablecloth for Christmas. Good morning. It's another packing day. We're having some winter temperatures today because it's freezing, so I had to wear this. But it's going to be a busy packing weekend again. having a little break from packing. I've packed a lot of boxes already and still a lot to do, but a little bit by little bit, the realization becomes that I will be moving. I still not really completely realize the big step I'm going to make by moving to the other side of the country and, you know, have built almost like a new life there. But yes, I'm excited for it, and taking a little break and then continue to pack. Let's take apart the desk. And also time to get all the autumn decorations down. It is so cold, it's freezing. Good morning, it's Sunday and it's colder than yesterday even. We just random have some really 2 cold days. Yesterday I had some really nice dinner with my family. It was my grandfather's 84th birthday, so that was fun. Today I'm going to pack for the move, of course, like every day until the move. And after that I'm going to watch Formula 1 at my sister's house. We're both watching that. It's going to be the last race of the year, which is sad, but we have to wait till March again. Well, I hope you'll have a great Sunday. And more closets going downstairs. First closet is downstairs. Now 5 closets are down, a couple more to go. And on my way to my sister to watch the last Formula 1 race of the year. And now it's time to have the final desk down in my office. Good morning, it's another day in the painting office. It's Monday today. I'm busy with packing again. I'm packing the final stuff in this office, and the other room is a stock room. I have some more stuff to pack, but everything is going according to plan. The planning that I made for everything for the packing. Later today I'm going to buy the paint for the walls, because this weekend I'm going to my house again to paint the walls with my mom and sister. So excited to be back again, and looking forward to it. I think I have everything. I have the white paint for most of the walls, the blue ones for in the living room, and the pink one for in the bedroom. And I couldn't get this behind. I really needed this one. Car is loaded with all the paint supplies. And got myself some heerlijke oliebollen. This is Dutch food we eat during normally December month and during New Year's Eve. While packing everything for the move, I also come across my favorite photo books. And look how big this one is for the road trip. It was really an amazing trip. Like 21 days, 15 states, more than 7,000 kilometers. A whole trip around cross-country road trip. It was from New York to San Francisco, and the other book is from my au pair months in the US in 2015. I also still have to make a photo book about my amazing trip earlier this year when I went to the Go Wild event and also visited Universal and Disney and a basketball game. I really need to make a photo book of that. Probably after I move, I have some time for it. So I did a lot of packing today, and now it's time to get to the store to order the curtains for the new house. Let's go! I'm going for yellow curtains. Now I have to pick one. I really had to have these pet toys. This is the normal name here is Chocomel, and they made it Choco Paw. And this is normally Calvé, that's like a peanut butter Dutch brand, and they made it dog's toys. Good morning everyone. I'm now in the attic packing everything that is here. I'm not vlogging every day because pretty much I'm doing the same thing, same packing every day. I'm starting to get a little bit of exhausting, but you know, it's all for good cause. A lot of things to pack here too. A lot of things to throw away also. Today's Thanksgiving Day. In Europe we don't celebrate Thanksgiving, but I hope everyone in America has a great Thanksgiving Day. Let's start packing again, and we'll see what the day will bring. A little view from my attic right now. It's a beautiful sunny day. Blue sky. And now it's time for the second Dutch game in the World Cup Soccer Championship. I hope they are going to win. Of course, I'm wearing orange. It's our color for all these sporting events. Good morning. It's Saturday and it's super early in the morning because I'm going on my little road trip to Drenthe again. This time to paint all the walls and stuff. And go to sleep there also for one night with my mom. It's gonna be super fun, and I will take you with me again with the vlog. And we're in the home, ready to get all the walls done. And this is going to be my new office. It already has the pink and yellow walls. Let the painting begin! And we're having some sushi and improvising with the table because we don't have anything here yet. Time to eat. So we are finally done with painting. All the white walls are white and this wall is still drying. I'm really happy with it. It really colors beautiful with the dark brown floor. And it's so crazy to think that the next time I will be here is when the move is. And I'm still not realizing it's really happening. Good morning, it's Tuesday and we're going back to packing up the house. Yesterday was the first day since August, I think. I took a day off from packing orders, like in the past, and packing up the house. It was much needed. It was really an exhausting weekend, so I really needed that. So now I have back energy to continue packing up the house, and only like next week Saturday I'm moving. It's coming close right now. Today is December 1. It's going to be the last day of my vlog. Right now I'm going to Delft. That's where Lieselotte from Lizzie Plans lives. It's not a Dutch girl. I'm going to pick up some Christmas and Halloween stuff she bought for me when she was shopping at TK Maxx and I couldn't go there. So that's super nice and we'll show you what I got. I'm here.
Hi.
Lieselotte.
Hello.
She got me all the stuff.
I got goodies, but Emma got goodies for herself, but I'm dropping them off now. Yay! So actually, I think this is one I have to give a special shout out to. It is adorable.
Cute.
And it drinks really nice, so that's fun.
And big.
Yeah, and big. Lots of tea or hot chocolate or coffee in there.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we're back home. Let me show you all the stuff that Lieselotte got me at her shopping sprees. This really cute mug. Christmas mug, and I really also love this one. Look at the New York caps, love it. Then there was also a Halloween mug, also some Disney Halloween garlands, cute. This is a plate with spider webs. I'm keeping it wrapped because I'm packing it for the move. And this is a Halloween snow globe, really cute. My mom just helped me with throw away everything that I don't need. I'm so happy for her help. So we're here at the end of the vlog of November. I'm going to edit it now and publish it. The next vlog will be all about the big move itself and settling in the new place. Thank you for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it and see you at the next one. Bye!